How's it going, everybody? This is the Facial Hair, and today we are here to upgrade my boyfriend's computer. Now, per that upgrade, we have a FX 6300 Black, a 970M Pro 3 from ASRock, and a WindForce Series GTX 970 from Gigabyte. All being powered by a EVGA Supernova 750 watt, all strapped inside of a red Ostrog original case. So the first thing we have to do is take everything that's in the case out of there. Alright, everybody, as you can tell, new shirt, new day. We had to wait on some parts to come in and do a bunch of cable management, but the system's up and running now. The upgrade worked flawlessly, and until next time, this has been the Facial Hair, and I hope you have a wonderful day.